Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Rilo Fajar Maritha for Management Department, Faculty of Economic and Business, Muhammadiyah University of Surakarta, and my lecturer as the second author is Dr. Rini Kuswati, SE M.Si. Thank you for giving me a time to hold the presentation. Today, I want to present my presentation about my paper research. The title is E-WOM and Adoption E-Wallet, the Role of Trust as Mediaty Variable. First, introduction. The development of technology and internet, innovating the emergence of fintech. The adoption of technological innovation is generally considered an important tool in improving financial service in the community. E-wallet is a fintech innovation that useful for making it easier to human to transaction and use information technology-based financial service. The acceptance of e-wallet technology as an innovation in the field of financial service is influenced by various factors, so that accepted in society as a part of life. This study is to analyze the effect of E-WOM on the behavior of e-wallet adoption, which is mediated by trust. Research hypothesis. There are 10 hypotheses proposed in this study. Then method. This research is a survey research with the method used in this study is quantitative method. The data collected is quantitative data search from primary data. Research object. The object in this study is e-wallet users in Central Java. The sampling technique used is non-probability sampling with the selected sampling method, namely purposive sampling with the type of judgment sampling. Data collection method. The data collection tool using questionnaire with a Likert scale. Questionnaire were distributed to Central Java e-wallet users using Google Form. Data analysis technique. The data analysis technique used is descriptive analysis technique and structural equation model, or SEM, based on partial least square, or PLS, using Smart PLS 3.0 software with hypothesis testing using bootstrapping. And then measurement model. Outer model evaluation has 3 tests. There are validity test, reliability test, and multicollinearity test. And then inner model evaluation has 3 tests too. There are goodness of fit test, coefficient of determination test, and in the test hypothesis there is direct indirect effect. This research result, we can see that E-WOM on benevolence is supported, E-WOM on integrity is supported, E-WOM on ability is supported, E-WOM on e-wallet adoption behavior is supported, benevolence on e-wallet adoption behavior is rejected, integrity on e-wallet adoption behavior is rejected, ability on e-wallet adoption behavior is supported. And then it is research result of indirect effect. We can see that benevolence mediated the effect of E-WOM on e-wallet adoption behavior is rejected. Then integrity as mediating variable is rejected too. And then the ability as Mediaty variable is supported. Discussion: E-WOM on trust. Based on the result of statistic tests, it is known that E-WOM has a positive and significant effect on trust, benevolence, integrity, and ability. E-WOM on evaluate adoption behavior. Based on the result of statistic tests, it is known that E-WOM has a positive and significant effect on evaluate adoption behavior. Trust on evaluate adoption behavior. Based on the result of statistic tests, it is known that trust ability has a positive and significant effect on evaluate adoption behavior. Trust as mediation. The result of the analysis show that trust, benevolence, integrity, and ability, there are two variables that are not able to mediate the effect of E-WOM on evaluate adoption behavior. There are benevolence and integrity variable, while the ability variable is able to mediate the effect of E-WOM on evaluate adoption behavior with a significant positive. And the last is conclusion. Based on the result of the analysis, the, the result of this study include this finding indicate that the only dimension of trust that can assist E-WOM in increasing evaluate adoption behavior in the people of Central Java is the ability of evaluate. The limitation of this study is that the sample taken is small. Future research is expected to be able to increase the number of samples and tests in different areas for the research population. I think enough for my presentation. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.